Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in GroupMe using Facebook. If you want to quickly access your GroupMe account using Facebook, the process is simple and convenient. GroupMe is a popular group messaging app that allows you to connect with friends, family, classmates, co-workers through chats, voice messages, and media sharing. Logging in with Facebook makes the process faster because it links your existing Facebook account directly to your GroupMe. First, you need to open to any of the web browser, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down groupme.com and enter it over here. Once you reach into this GroupMe interface, on the top right corner we can find this login icon there. You need to select to this login and you'll get into this interface. What you can do is you need to select to this option on the bottom. Here we can find the Apple, Google, Facebook, or the Microsoft. Simply select to this Facebook and you'll be redirected to the Facebook login page. Enter the email address or the phone number connected to your Facebook account along with your password, and if you are already logged in Facebook on your device, it may automatically detect your account and ask you to confirm. And after that, you can log in and choose continue as your name to authorize GroupMe, and this step allows GroupMe to access basic information like your name and profile picture from the Facebook. And that is it. Logging into GroupMe with your Facebook is quick, secure, and save you time since you do not need to remember a separate password. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.